So this is the application of Digital Folktales. We click the application. To start the application, we click the start button. So there are some buttons. There are materials, examples, references, help, and developer information button. First, we go to help button. So this provides the information of the function of each button. And then we go back by clicking the home button. And then we go to the developer information. So this contains the information of who developed this application. And then we go back. And then we go to the materials. So there are materials of narrative text and the stories. Now we go to the materials of narrative text first. So there are definition of narrative text. And then we go to the next page. There is generic structure of narrative text and then the language feature of narrative text. Now we go back to the material part. Then we move to the stories. We click the read the stories. And this is the collection of 6 Indonesian folktales. We click one of them. So this is the Legend of Bali Street story. We click start reading to start the story. So there are the text of the story and the audio button. We click the audio button.
In the Hak Kingdom there lived a powerful Brahmin named Sidi Mantra. His son name was Manit Angkaran.
In order to go to the next page, we need to click the right side of the screen, and then when we want to go back to the previous slide, we click the left side of the screen. We click the right side and then we click the left side, and then we click the right side. So this is the end of the story. There are glossary and learning activity. So the glossary, we click the glossary. It provides the difficult words of the story, and then we go back and then we open the learning activity of Bali Street Legend story. So this is the worksheet of Bali Street Legend story, which can be downloaded. And then we go back. Yes. And then we go back by clicking the home button. So we are in the screen of collection of the story, and then we go back to the material part, and then we go back again, and then we click the examples button, and this is the example of narrative text based on the language features. So we can click the words in the box, and it gives the information of the kind of the language features. And then we go next to the next page. It contains the example of generic structure of narrative text. And then we go back to the menu, and then we have references. So this button provides the information about the origin of the material and story, and also the slide used in this application. And then we go back again and we exit from the application.